I want to tell you about my favorite herb, and that is wormwood. This was the first plant that I've ever connected with on an intimate level, and it is very near and dear to my heart. Wormwood has four main uses. First and foremost, it's a strong anti-parasitic, so it's often incorporated with other herbs with the same um, action. Um, my favorite and what I use it for the most myself is for gallbladder and liver bile secretion. So it is a fantastic tea to take before an overly high protein or high fat meal in order to get the digestive system working. And wormwood also has the benefit of being really, really good for people with Crohn's because it brings circulation and that increased digestion to the intestinal tract. So it helps to reduce the inflammation in the intestines as well as make food more, since the food is more digested, it becomes easier on the digestive tract, so it ends up being less inflammation from that regard as well. Yeah, those are some things I just wanted you to know about. So just to recap, if you're looking for a herbal ally that is great for the digestive system to increase bile secretion, help reduce inflammation, and help clear out some of those parasites that may be in your system, come down in store and give wormwood a try.